another rainy day in Seoul. Monsoon season is hitting.
Can I tell you something? I really need to share. Can't write it down on paper. You might lose it later. Or wash it with your cheese. Not know what it means. I wanna love.
So I didn't do this transition very well, but that day my friend and I, we went to take another DIY class, which I love. It's an introverted girl's dream. And we ended up making these bags. Look how cute this is. Like, how cute. It's a crochet little bag, and it's like made out of like this soft, like fluffy material. I love it. It's like a good decor piece too. The next clips are us making these bags. I love it. I love these DIY classes. I wish there were more in the US, but it's so cute. Mine's a little big. Hers is a lot smaller than mine, but I really like it because I put like random things inside of it. So like a little pouch, literally my cash, and then I use it as a decor piece. I usually hang it up over there with the rest of my stuff. Like, how cute is that? It's just a fun little decor piece.
This is on Chrome. Yeah, mine is too. Oh, okay. Baguette bag.
We're at Dongdaemun some market, and yeah, so yesterday we went to K-Stuff 5 and saw really cute keychains for your phone, but guess what? It's a fraction of the price here, and we get to customize it. This is the first store. This is the first store, and we're getting so excited. Gender reveal. Everything we're gonna eat in the market. Oh yeah. Imagine. Cheers. We're full, unfortunately, and we're gonna have dessert now.
2층에
Dessert time. Really chewy. It's kind of the same texture of the rice cake. That chewiness.
Yeah, or the mochi donut.
Oh, the mochi donut. Yeah. We found the cutest cafe. And it looks like a traditional Korean house. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, how cute. Unboxing. We spent way too long at the bead store. We got a bunch of these hearts. Look at the bears. Yours is so cute. So my inspo is gonna be like pink with bows and pearls. I've been wanting one of this, like a phone lanyard. I feel like I'm on aunt now at this point. Like only aunties have this, but it's come to that point. It's come to that point. I got a lanyard for my phone. This place is literally a girl's world. Oh my god, how cute. We got a lemon ginger. And this is Jubilee ginger. This is too cute. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm happy with it.
How do you attach your phone to it?
With this.
Oh, yeah, the phone case.
Yeah. How adorable. This is the centipede.
Like little bears.
Yeah.
Like hearts.
Only to see the heart. But they look like centipede legs. But they're cute. Oh my god, I love my new camera. I got a new camera yesterday and I'm gonna test it out today and see how it works. It's really small and I'm really shy filming in public, so let's see if I feel less of a disturbance to the public. My camera is so fun. Climbing up these stairs after a night out is not it. This hill is massive. Oh my gosh. Oh, and stairs. Oh. Oh. Well, look, it's a nice view. Oh, look at this. Melissa, up here. Hello. The view from up there is so pretty. Yeah. Whoa. crazy. Wow, look at the view.
Ponies first.
Ponies first. Oh yeah, I was the teacup.
Really?
Just finished lunch and went shopping around the area. I'm currently in Myeongdong. Somehow I'm here, and I'm gonna go to this really popular viral cafe now. It's like a rain cafe. Irony is that today it's not raining in Seoul, yet I'm going to a rain cafe. But it looks really cool, the concept's really cool. So let's go see.
For the food, so
I'm not sure either. I believe it's like, I don't know. Oh, it's like a souffle.
yeah.